if you're also tired that your phone holder in your car is always falling off your dash or your windshield, then I have some awesome solution, and that's this ANDERY MagSafe phone holder which I got from the seller to show you how nicely this really works. I think it's something really special, really worth to look into that, because we have some really advanced features what we get. Here is also a lot of accessories. We get even a cleaning wipe. We get even this magnetic holder which you can add to your phone or your phone case if you don't have a magnetic holder already built in your phone like with most iPhones. And you also don't have to be worried if you have a very strong leather texture. We get even this additional mounting plate for softer material or very highly structured leather pattern dashboards. And then we have the stand here which is really super flexible, even 360 degrees rotatable. You can see you can point it pretty much to any angle, any direction, foldable, unfoldable, and then rotatable on top. And what I really like here is how strong this is. You can see that here I really have to push hard to change the angle. So when you just hit a hard bump on the road, nothing is going to change here. And then underneath we have this nano gel suction cup. So we have actually a 2-in-1. We have the really sticky surface here, and on top of that we have the suction. You can see when I rotate this ring here, I hope you can see that it really sucks in this part here in the center, which creates then a really strong vacuum, for example on the windshield or here somewhere on top. We can see also these two lock and unlock positions here on the side. And then of course highly recommended to use these wipes for thorough cleaning. And then highly recommended to place the phone holder where you have something flat, for example like here, and with the marks for the lock and unlock towards you, so you can always see that. Push it down, and after that you can easily lock it. And then you can rotate it to exactly where you need it. Yeah, this thing is not going to move anywhere. Absolutely amazing. And so I can put my phone here. Yeah, watch this thing, how solid this is. This is not going to move, and I can still easily adjust it from here. And despite the super strong hold, we can still remove it. So we rotate this counterclockwise to remove the suction. And then we have this flap here, which you can use to pull. You can see that here you can still lift it up and remove it. And as you can see, there's nothing here, nothing to see. Absolutely zero residue. Yeah, this is what I really like. Super strong, even in very high heat. Sturdy but still flexible construction, and the extra strong magnet ring, even with the opening here, which allows for extra cooling. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this ANDERY phone holder, and just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.